Forgot your Wi-Fi password and need to find it on your Windows 10 PC? If you're currently connected to the network, here's how to reveal your password in just a few simple steps. First, look at the bottom right corner of your taskbar, right-click on the Wi-Fi icon, and select Open Network and Internet Settings. In the window that opens, scroll down slightly and click on the Network and Sharing Center option. Next, you will see your active connection next to the word Connections. Click on your Wi-Fi network name highlighted in blue to open the Wi-Fi status window. In the small window that pops up, click on the Wireless Properties button. Now navigate over to the Security tab at the top. Here, your password is hidden behind dots in the Network Security key field. To reveal it, simply check the box next to Show Characters. Your Wi-Fi password will instantly appear in plain text. If this quick guide helped you find your password, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.